Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Again, I am here with you all to discuss one more kind of loan, which is pensioner loan. In this video, we'll discuss about the COVID-19 pensioner loan given by Bank of India. This is a loan given to our old age people so that they can get some extra financial help. I have already uploaded a video on the same topic in Hindi. If you want to watch it, I'll provide the link in the description box. You can check out there. So let's start the video. Here we'll discuss about the eligibility of the loan, purpose for which the loan is given, maximum tenure, maximum amount of the loan given, and rate of interest at which this loan is given. Let's start with the eligibility first. Those who are regular pensioners, family pensioners, retired Bank of India employees, or regular or family pensioners through those who are receiving their pension through Treasury or DPDO and their account is in Bank of India are eligible to apply for this loan. Also, one thing to keep in mind is, as we know, pension loan seekers are elderly, so there should be a co-borrower also. Co-borrower can be a legal heir or a nominee, whichever is suitable according to the norms of bank. Next thing to discuss is purpose for which this loan is given. It can be any reason. Suppose you want to support your child for education or marriage, you can take this loan. Or suppose you have some medical emergency, then also you are eligible for the application of this loan. Or if you have to pay some other loan which is at higher cost, then also you can take this loan. Next, let's discuss about the loan amount. The loan amount for which you can apply is 10 times of your monthly pension. But there are some conditions. For regular pensioners, the maximum limit is 2 lakh rupees. For family pensioners, it is 75,000 rupees. And for regular or family pensioners, those who are receiving their pension through Treasury or DPDO, the maximum limit is 1 lakh rupees. One very important thing to discuss is NTHP. NTHP means net take home pay. Here pay means your pension. If your NTHP is more than 35% of your monthly pension, then only you are eligible for the loan. Let's calculate by taking a simple example. Suppose your monthly pension is 100 rupees. From these 100 rupees, you are giving 20 rupees as statutory deductions, 18 rupees as taxes, 10 rupees as other deductions, and 14 rupees as your proposed EMIs. The amount left with you is 38 rupees, which is more than 35% of your monthly pension. So you are eligible for this loan. But in second example, suppose your monthly income or monthly pension is 100 rupees. You are giving 30 rupees as your statutory deductions, 20 rupees as your taxes, 10 rupees as your other deductions, and 16 rupees as your proposed EMI. Then the amount left with you is 24 rupees. Then you are not eligible to apply for this loan. The important points to be remembered while application are: your CIBIL should be satisfactory, and the loan amount, you have to repay the loan amount before you are 75 years of your age. Last date of application is 30th June 2020. And rate of interest at which this loan is given is 7.25%. You don't have to pay any charges, no PPC charges, processing charges are zero. And the maximum term for which this loan is given is 36 months, that is 3 years. For more information, you can visit your nearest Bank of India branch and get your queries sorted out there. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it to maximum. Do subscribe our channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. Have a great day.